Hello and welcome back to another Miller Motorcars Bentley Greenwich video, where today I have the 2022 Bentley Bentayga S. This vehicle is finished in Cambrian Grey paint, which looks very aggressive and works well with this S variant. What is special about the S is that it finishes all the trim in high gloss black. So that's going to be the headlight surrounds, around the window surrounds, as well as the taillight surrounds. The upper and lower grille are also finished in the high gloss black, and we have a nice beautiful high gloss black front splitter. As we make our way to the side of the Bentayga S, we have beautifully redesigned 22-inch wheels, along with red calipers as standard with the S. You see the black line coming throughout the car here. We have this beautiful S badge letting us know that it is an S when you get inside the cabin. The mirror caps are also going to be finished in that high gloss black no matter what color that you select. And I love this color on this particular car, just the way it accentuates the lines and looks that much more aggressive. As we come to the rear end of the vehicle, you're going to notice that that high gloss black finish comes throughout here. We have this beautiful diffuser back here, and then this really aggressive wing to keep that car planted. It is aerodynamic, so it's going to work in the vehicle's favor. And it's debadged in the Bentley back here. Now, I've talked enough about the exterior. Let's take this car for a drive because they have finally given me the keys. And really the drive is what the S is all about. Now with the Bentayga S, I don't know if you already hear that. That's a sport exhaust. So it's going to sound a lot more aggressive while you're driving it in the sport mode. It's going to open up and really behave that much sportier in that manner. Also, we have something called Bentley Dynamic Ride. That's a 48-volt system in the front and rear sway bars, which will reduce the body roll on this truck to make it that much easier to maneuver on turns right here. Making this right turn, it's going to stay planted inside the truck. We have to remember that it's a 5,400-pound truck. And when you're driving this truck, it does not feel like an SUV. It feels like a car. And, you know, now we're finally approaching the highway and we're going to really open it up. Of course, within the speed limit because we are not on the Autobahn. But effortless. It's holding out to sport, fourth gear, and it wants to really keep those RPMs high up there so the car is very responsive. And you can just hear that sport exhaust in the back there. And of course, if you don't want to hear that and you want to have more of a quiet cabin experience, you could put it into the Bentley mode or comfort mode and it will totally turn that off. So it's back to that regular V8 Bentayga that you're used to, just not with the sporty noise coming out of it. Now, why I love the S in particular is because everything about it is just youthful, sporty, and very just aggressive as well on the car. So inside the cabin, we have Hotspur and Beluga. So Hotspur is the red, Beluga is the black, and then we have a veneer of carbon fiber. So once again, continuing that sporty aesthetic throughout the exterior and into the interior. We also have the contrasting stitch, so wherever there's black, we have the red stitch, and wherever there's red, we have the black stitch. Now this S is amazing. We have been waiting for it for a while. And like I said before, if you followed Bentley for a while, they've always come out with an S variant. Whether it was the Continental, whether it was the Flying Spur, and now it's the Bentayga. It is a V8 motor, so it does have 542 horsepower and 568 foot-pounds of torque, which is the same as the V8. However, with adding those additional elements, it's enhancing the drivability that much more and making it like the S that we know from predecessor models. So yes, the Bentayga S is built to be that much more aggressive and a sportier driving experience. However, when you do just want to relax and take it easy, put it in Bentley mode, put it in comfort mode, and my personal favorite, the massage seats. Now, I can relax. Well, I hope you enjoyed that ride, because I did. Once again, my name is Nick Scheppa, Bentley Sales Specialist with Miller Motorcars. Stay tuned for the next video.